It's looking beautiful out there this afternoon. Blue skies with a few clouds still out there. Those high cirrus clouds just hanging around, but nice and bright. That makes it seem like it's probably warm outside, but it is not. It's a cool day and a windy one too. Let's check out our latest wind speeds here this afternoon. Winds are in the 20s, some gusts into the 20s, and then of course we're seeing that one gust out in Jamestown to nearly 30 miles per hour. So still breezy. We were talking this morning about how this will gradually be coming down, and it actually is. We had some strong wind gusts earlier this morning into the 30s. So seeing some improvement showing up on our report map for the wind speeds. Also seeing some improvement with cloud cover too. We're seeing those clouds working their way eastward in a lot of these areas where we're seeing clouds in Minnesota. It's those cirrus clouds that are filtering out some of the sun, but letting a lot of that light through and brightening the afternoon for you too over in Bemidji and places like Fergus Falls, and eventually that moves on as well. Expanding the view, you can see that there's a lot of cloud cover to our south and our east. That is also going to be moving on, and we're watching a big storm system. We've got heavy snow in the Rockies in Colorado and up into Wyoming as well. And then in addition to that, everybody's eyes are on the Kansas and Oklahoma areas. That's where a high risk has been issued for severe storms, and that means that that's the highest risk that can be issued for the possibility of an outbreak of severe weather, tornadoes, large hail, and wind damage in that area. If you know folks down there, they probably already know well about this, but good idea to check in with them and make sure they're prepared this afternoon and this evening. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner for us this afternoon in the valley. We've got much quieter, beautiful weather. It's just cool. Temperatures in the 50s to some low 60s for highs. That wind continues to notch down little by little into the teens, and maybe a gust to 20 miles per hour this evening. Later on tonight, those temperatures continue their slide, still in the 50s around 9 o'clock, and then at 11 we're looking at some 40s at that point, and we continue dropping from there through the overnight hours. Checking out your 5 a.m. temps, we're looking at right around the freezing mark along the international border to the upper 30s in places like Fargo and Jamestown, and that means the potential for some widespread frost up north and some patchy frost down in the south for tonight. And a lot of people have started their gardening, so definitely want to keep that in mind. And then for the rest of the day, expect to see some clouds trying to work their way into the afternoon hours. We'll start off sunny. By around 4 o'clock, you can see the southern valley starting to get the cloud cover rolling in. Temperatures very similar to today, 50s to low 60s, and that's about as warm as we get. Check out our photo today, Goldfinch in Comstock. Thanks, Tiffany, for that great photo of that little guy there. And expect to have temperatures into the, again, 60s again tomorrow with increase in clouds in the south in the afternoon. Saturday, increasing rain chances from south to north, and they may move into the Fargo area in the morning hours on Saturday, continuing to spread north from there. And Monday looks to be right now our warmest day of the 7-day period. Only 72 degrees, which is funny to say that now. 72 is cool, but we had summer last weekend.
We got our taste of 80s, and now we just want more.
We don't want to look back.